Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Sherry. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you're new to my channel, I talk about rebuilding lives, resources, and spiritual encouragement. So if that's something you think might be beneficial to you or something you might enjoy, go ahead, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you could be notified of all my videos when I upload them. And don't forget to like and leave a comment as well. I like to have the engagement with you all. Let's get right into what this video is all about. This is your one-stop shop. So I found a website, and I have mentioned the website before, but I'm going to actually take you on this website, go through it so you'll understand what you need to do and what's on there. So this website will, it's even so much more that I'm about to tell you right here, but it's food, housing, transportation, health, money, work, household goods, foster care, education, and legal. So when you get on this website, you are going to put in your zip code or zip code of a state that you want to move into or that you are considering traveling to or anything like that. Or if you want to look up something for somebody else in a different state or city or different zip code than you can give them this website, or you can look it up yourself and see what they have to offer. So here we are on the website, and I will put the link to the website in the description box below, among other things that I have for you to take a look at. So this is where you put your zip code at when you come on the website. And I'm going to use the zip code of Jacksonville, Florida. So I just put it in 32034, but Jacksonville has a lot of different zip codes. But we're going to go over here and hit the search button. So right here in that zip code, it has 2,458 programs. Go up here to food. You have food delivery, food pantry, help pay for food, meals, nutrition, education. Let's just hit the food pantries, okay? And this is how you're going to find everything that you need. So food pantries, here we go. So this one is the Salvation Army. And then this one down here is a United Methodist, Fernandina Beach Church of Christ. And you can hit more info to see. And over here, they have the actual address. And it says you could hit down here where it says open hours. So then it'll show you the opening hours down here. You could keep going down. They have so many of them. Nutrition service, supplemental food, prescriptive nutrition, more food pantries down there. Okay, so let's just go back. I am so excited. When I find something good, I love to share it, okay? So you can hit all these different things in food delivery. Let's see what they got for the food delivery. So you got once a month volunteer prepared meal delivery. You got home delivery. And then it tells you about the program. And it says right here for home delivery, Home Style directs home meal delivery program, ships free, healthy, delicious meals directly to Medicaid recipients receiving the approved meal delivery waiver. And so, you have to go over here. They have websites. You have to go over here. They have websites and numbers that you can call. So always look to the right of your screen. So I make a lot of stuff about housing. So you got down here, help pay for housing. And when you go over here, you got help pay for internet, help pay for phone, help pay for utilities, home and renters insurance, housing vouchers. Then you go back over here and you got housing advice, foreclosure counseling, home buyer education, maintenance and repairs. You find all this in your community, in your zip code, where you live. Residential housing. So go down here, stay in there and go up. Long-term housing. And if you hit that, then it's going to come up with 16 different things. Independent living, public housing, safe housing. So that would be like a shelter, probably like a domestic violence shelter. Short-term housing, sober living. You got 4 of them right there. So we'll just hit the long-term housing. So you have apartments. And like I said, always make sure you come over here so you can get the website, the address, the hours, opening hours, how many miles it is, different stuff like that. So let's see, we go down. We got home ownership program. That's the Habitat for Humanity. Humanity. HUD public housing, and just rental housing. Operation Finally Home. My Father's Arrows. Wounded Hero program. Now in different states, different cities, and different zip codes are going to have way different kind of programs. So you got even transit. So transit, let's go back to transit. Transit, you have like bus passes, 3 different things. Help pay for car, help pay for gas. Look at that. So you click on that, and what do you have? Patient aid program, healthcare ground transportation, financial assistance only for families with children diagnosed with childhood cancer, financial assistance for families working in the restaurant industry, pediatric grants. I think a lot of people do not go into description boxes. They don't really, click on it. But I would advise you, if I leave anything, just, you know, if that's what you need, click on it. You never know. It just might help you. Then you got health. Look at all this health. Dental care, you got 13 in your zip code. End of life care, bereavement, burial, funeral help, hospice, health education, help pay with for health care, disability benefits, all that, health insurance. Let's go over here with the money. This is the big one. So money is right here. So money is a financial assistance. So you got help pay for child care, help pay for food, government food benefits, help pay for health care, disability benefits. We're just going down the list. Discounted health care, medical supplies, health insurance, prescription. This is a good one. Prescription assistance. You have 112 listings for prescription assistance. Help pay for housing. You have 97. This is a big one too. Work. Okay. So over here, come back over here. Job placements, 27 of them. So that's all I have for you in this video. I hope this video was really impactful and you got a lot out of this one website, your one-stop shop, findhelp.org. So take advantage of that. Do your research, look in your cities. And even if you're planning on moving somewhere, this is an amazing website that you can go and start making plans to move into that other city, that state, okay? That's all I have for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope you've been blessed by this video. Peace and blessings.